And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us start our first game. CLFC versus NHA. Okay, we have Villegas to Suarez Maynard to Mr. Suarez back to Villegas. Attempt for one hand shot, no good, rebounded Gabulia. And it's a 2-1. It's for the first quarter of this game, and it's a first score for the NHA. 2-0. Saan na nang sigo-sigo na yung 20. No good for the 3 points. We have Patrick. Patrick giving the ball to Mr. Maynard attack, and it's a 2 points. His score is 4-0. And favor of NHA Saints. Okay, we have Mabitag, Tasiron back to Mabitag. Mabitag pumasok siya, gihatag ka Pablo, pumasok, binigay ka Mabitag for 2 points, Mr. Mabitag. Ito 2 points. Okay, we have Patrick to Villegas to Maynard, to Patrick, to Mr. Suarez to Villegas. Okay, 3 points. Mr. Villegas. Okay, we have here Mr. Mabitag to Fabro. Attack, 2 points, Mr. Fabro. The legend never. Okay, we have Patrick. Patrick to Mr. Maynard, back to Patrick, to Mr. Villegas, to Mr. Francis. And no good, nakuha ni Mr. Bachoco, binigay kang Mabitag. Mabitag dribbling the ball, and 4 minutes and 22 seconds gihatag Pablo, lumusot siya, giitsa, gihatag dito kang Bachoco attempt, and hindi umabot, rebounded by Francis, gihatag kang Maynard. Maynard to Mr. Patrick attempt, 2 points Mr. Patrick, 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Bachoco to Mr. Pablo, gihatag kang Mabitag to Mr. Edrote, back to Mabitag, nagduduan siya kuhan, iyan itsa, gihatag niya kang Edrote, then for 2, no good, rebounded by Mr. Esiron, nakuha ni Bachoco, wala, rebound yung duhan, nakuha ni Mr. Pablo, 30 seconds to shoot, 3 minutes and 50 seconds, no good, patay mo tigay gihatag kang Maynard to Mr. Patrick, 3 minutes and 48 seconds to Mr. Patrick, to Mr. Maynard, to Mr. Pitos, attempt, 2 points Mr. Pitos, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, we have here Mr. Fabro. Fabro dribbling the ball, gihatag kay Edrote, nakita kapasahan, 3 minutes and 25 seconds, gihatag kay Maynard, steal to Patrick na mabadaling for 2 points. Mr. Patrick, the score is 4-13 in favor of NHA Saints, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. We have Mabitag dribbling the ball, nakita siya kapasahan, and pumasok, giitsa for 2, no good, rebounded by Mr. Edrote to Mr. Asiron to Edrote attempt. And ito, 2 points Mr. Edrote. 3 minutes. Mabilis ng legendary ba yun? Mabanggam. Okay, we have here Patrick to Mr. Villegas, back to Patrick. Gihatag na po ni Bachoco. And same ball position. Time, remaining shot clock, 12 seconds. 12 second shot clock. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Okay, to Mr. Francis, to Pitos, attempt for jump shot, 2 points, Mr. Pitos, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, Bachoco gikan Casiron, to Mr. Mabitag dribbling the ball, ngayon nagkapasahan, asa din pasa yata niya ka Pablo dribbling the ball, pumasok siya, giitsaan, hindi umabot, rebounded by Mr. Villegas to Patrick, yatag kang Francis, attempt for 2 points Mr. Francis, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. The score is 15-6. 17? 17-6 in favor of NHA Saints. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. One hand shot, Mr. Aceron, 2 points. 2 minutes. Okay, Patrick. Pasa con Villegas, nitirag 3. 3 points, Mr. Villegas, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Okay, drinking the ball, Mr. Mabitag to Fabro. Lumusot for 1 and shot, and good, nagawin ni Maynard to Mr. Francis, binigay kay Patrick, and hindi umabot na po ni Mabitag binigay kay Fabro, nagbawa din si Fabro, tumira ng 2 points, Mr. Fabro. Pitch sa kapatan, kasi kami sa Fabro. Ano siya ba kung star player? 1 minute and 20 seconds. seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Maynard. To Mr. Villegas. Attempt for 3. No good. Follow up by Francis. 1 minute and 5 seconds. We have here Mabita dribbling the ball. 1 minute. 15 seconds shot clock. 55 seconds. Number 2, no good naman Iquitos. 50 seconds. 2 points.
Asaman mo.
37 seconds. 2 points. 33 seconds. 25 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Mabot, no more shot clock. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. 2 points, Mr. Cabro. 10 seconds. 5. 3.3 seconds. Time is over for the first quarter of this game.